Hey you guys, it's Jasmine, and thank you for clicking on my video. If you want to know how to make these super easy, simple, delicious vanilla buttermilk muffins, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to take some flour and some sugar, put it into a bowl. Then we're going to take some baking powder. We're going to take some cinnamon and salt. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix that up, and all the measurements will be in the description as always. Now we're going to get our wet ingredients. We're going to take some eggs, some melted butter, some buttermilk, some vanilla extract, and some honey. Go ahead and mix all of that together. Then pour your wet mixture into your dry mixture. And you want to stir that up just until combined. You don't want to overmix. Go ahead and fill up your muffin tin and let these rest for about 15 minutes if you want. Then put them in the oven. And they're done. It's so easy and simple. These are so delicious, guys. They have just enough sweetness, not too much, just a slight hint of vanilla. They're very tender, soft, and moist. They're perfect for breakfast, with coffee, or with dinner. You can keep them in the fridge. They store really well. So I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you like them, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.